Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host here today. In a world of cryptocurrency volatility, one thing's for sure, no market moves are ever truly predictable. Today we're looking at how Cardano ADA is outperforming Bitcoin and Solana in recent price movements. But what does this mean for their long-term prospects? Let's dive into the details. So yesterday, Bitcoin was hovering around that $94,000 mark, having dropped below it since Monday. But last night, news broke that talks between the US and Chinese governments were set to begin in Switzerland about trade tariffs, a development so significant that markets finally got some much-needed respite from their slump. The result? A small price bounce, but not enough to break free from the recent trend of stagnation. Bitcoin is currently up just 3% on the day. But Cardano's story is quite different. ADA is up 4% today, a modest improvement on yesterday's performance. And when you look at the bigger picture, it's clear that Cardano has had a tough time in recent years. Its price plummeted during the bear market of 2022-2023 and took an eternity to recover, only to fall back below 25 cents in 2023. Despite its resilience this year, ADA still remains at minus 78% from its all-time highs in 2021. So what's going on here? How can Cardano outperform Bitcoin when its own performance has been so erratic over the past few years? The answer lies in the fundamentals of each coin. Solana, SOL, another major player, is also seeing gains today, up almost half of Cardano's 4% rise. But while it too faces challenges, Solana's history suggests that it may be more resilient than some give it credit for. Let's look at what happened during the last great bull run in 2021. SOL skyrocketed above $200 for the first time in history before collapsing to below $10. It bounced back up to over $100 by the end of 2023, but then plummeted again after reaching a new all-time high in 2024. In 2025, despite initial gains, the mini bubble burst and SOL lost more than half its value. However, since April, SOL has shown signs of recovery, moving back above $130 and then over $140. It seems that the worst of the suffering may be behind it now. But will it continue to outpace Bitcoin in this price race? One thing is for sure. When President Jerome Powell speaks after releasing interest rate decisions by the Fed, markets could react sharply. The point is this: even with their impressive recent gains, both Bitcoin and Solana face significant headwinds ahead. The Fed's next move will be crucial, and its impact will resound through cryptocurrency markets globally. Stay updated on all the news about cryptocurrencies and the entire world of blockchain. That's what the Bitcoin Bulletin is here for. That's it for today's analysis of the Bitcoin Bulletin.